Peace upon you, dear students. With you, Miss Rania Nagar. I present to you the review of the first unit. Mass and weight. Mass, the amount of matter in an object. Properties of mass. The mass of object increases when the amount of matter increases. The mass doesn't change by changing the place. The mass is a fixed value. The mass has no direction. Give reason. The mass of pen on Earth equals its mass on Moon, because the mass doesn't change by changing the place. Important questions. Give reason. The mass of pen on Earth equals its mass on Moon, because the mass doesn't change by changing the place. Give reason. The mass of the object doesn't change from one place to another, because the mass has fixed value. The measuring units of mass is gram or kilogram. The gram is equal to the mass of one paper clip, used to measure small masses as jewelry. The kilogram is equal to the mass of 1 liter of water, used to measure large masses as fruits and vegetables. Ton, used to measure very big masses. Mass measurement. How do you measure the mass? The mass is measured by the scales. Types of scales. A balance scale, a sensitive two-arm scale, a one-arm digital scale, a one-arm scale with a pointer. Give reason. We should put the balance scale on a stable shelf horizontally to avoid any vibrations. Give reason. The mass of the object is not changed the same, because it is stable, fixed from place to another. The object mass equals the total mass of balanced known masses. If you want to calculate mass of the water in a beaker, you must calculate at first the mass of empty beaker, then make M2 minus M1. Example, the mass of empty cup is 110 gram. The mass of cup and water is 275 gram. The mass of water only equal to 175 minus 110 equal 165 gram. What happens when you measure the mass of an object on the Earth's surface and then measure its mass on the Moon's surface? The mass on Earth equal the mass on Moon. Why? Because mass doesn't change by changing the place. Example, the mass of an object is 5 kilogram. Then calculate its mass on the Earth and on the Moon. The object's mass on Earth is 5 kilogram. The object's mass on the Moon is 5 kilogram. Fixed value. Thank you for your kind attention. I wish you all success.